Hi, welcome to Hardware's Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust upscaling settings in Borderlands 4. Firstly, you should open Options, then find Visuals on the top tab. And here in Visuals, as you can see, here we have a lot of really nice, cool features. But here we have Advanced settings. So click on the Advanced, and here we have apps resolution scaling, right? So here we have upscaling method. You can change between disabled, of course, FSR, TSR, and XESS. As you can see here, we have the description of each of them. For example, TSR is upscaler provided by Epic Games. This one is temporal upscaler provided by NVIDIA, and if you have NVIDIA graphic cards or RTX, so I really suggest you to use NVIDIA DLSS. It works really great. If you have AMD graphic card, just use AMD. If you have integrated video card in your input processor, just use this one. Okay, so depends of what you use, what's your hardware, so use your type of resolution scaling. So in my case, for example, I have AMD, so I should use FSR. Okay, upscaling quality, full resolution. So define the base render resolution for the game. So this settings requires the use of this one of these upscaling methods. Scene capture quality, so high frame generation on, of course. If you have frame generation feature in your graphic card, so just enable this feature. It will help you to improve FPS in your game. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to click apply, leave a like, and write a comment below this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.